Here we go, bringing it all together. Feeling it. It feels this dog water. It's feeling it. You're going to bring it all together now. Now watch what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be taking the information from here in other slides, lessons 11 and 12, copy cutting and pasting them to one paragraph. So I'm going to do this quickly. You have the ability to pause, fast forward this as much as you want to find your specific speed. So I'm going to go up to lesson 12 here and watch. I'm going to take this, copy it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this so you guys can see. I'm going to add a text box right here. Right there, so you can watch what I do. I'm going to take this, and let me put a border around it so I can see it. And I'm going to copy, cut, and paste. Copy, there's my first sentence. Boom. Come over here, copy, put that cursor right there so it's in the proper spot. Boom. Put my cursor there, come over here and get this next sentence. 1, 2, 3 clicks, it highlights all of it. Control C, come up here, and Control V, come here, Control C, boom, Control V, and then boom. Control C, my last closing sentence, and Control V. Now, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so I can see it. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to indent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to highlight this again. All I did was took this, copy, cut, and paste, that, and that. Brought it over here into a text box. And now I'm going to come down here to this, where I'm putting it all together. And I'm going to paste this. That's not it. Let me go back. Here. Didn't copy, cut, and paste it the right way, so it's up here. Let me do that again. Or I could go edit, copy, and then go down here to the pink one. And then I'm going to edit, paste. It's a little bit big, so let me go like this. I want it to fit in there nicely. That looks good. Now I'm going to do the same for the green. I'm going to go back to this slide up here. And I'm going to do that text box thing because I think that worked really good. I'm going to make that text box. I'm going to add a border so I can see it. Now I'm going to take my topic sentence, Control C, paste it, Control C. I need a period there, space, space. I'm going to go to the next sentence, Control C, put it right there, Control C, put it right there, and then my closing sentence, which will be right here. Now, I am going to increase the size again. Last time it was 26, so I'm going to go there. Now I'm going to highlight this again. I'm doing it with one hand right now, so I'm being lazy. Going to go down to the green, where it says putting it all together. And I'm going to paste that. I missed that U somehow for uniforms, so I'm going to reapply it. And since this is the beginning of a new paragraph, I'm going to want to space it 5 times or hit tab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I decided not to do that, if I hit the tab, it moves it all at once. Boom. So now there are 2 of my paragraphs. Now this is the introduction. We're going to go over to this slide right here and grab that introduction, which should be right there. We did that in class. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to edit, copy, go back down here. Boom. Now, one of the things I didn't do, and hopefully you paid attention to it, is look at this. There's 1 paragraph, 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs. Now remember, your purple paragraph, you will do the same thing with this guy over here after you do your research and put it into your words. And then where you're putting it all together, your purple paragraph will go here. Now, that will make it 4. Then this very last one, your conclusion paragraph. They give you over here some tidbits about what you do. Start off with one of these if you want as a transition for your conclusion, and then you're going to restate your topics and then a final thought. Should be like 3 sentences. And so I would do, I'm going to let that be because I'm going to kind of see where you guys are. And I have class starting in a few minutes. This is how you're going to bring it all together. And I will see you soon.